Process overview. To ensure absolute integrity and precise delivery of RIUGOR electric vehicle main reducers throughout the logistics chain, we implement standardized packaging and shipping procedures. Packaging process. Each main reducer receives customized protective packaging. Using specialized equipment, units are stacked on standardized steel pallets and reinforced with shrink wrap to guarantee structural stability and safety during transit. Shipping handover. Prior to dispatch, we verify precise alignment between shipping documents and physical batches, quantities. Loading adheres to logistics safety protocols, enabling end-to-end traceability from warehouse exit to delivery points. Value proposition. Through meticulous backend operations, we safeguard the factory fresh condition of RIUGOR main reduction assemblies, ultimately delivering flawless product quality and an exceptional delivery experience to our customers.